Looking for professional work tables for your commercial kitchen that can stand heated environment? Frustrated with limited options that just don't measure up? Say goodbye to the old and make way for innovation. Introducing the Work Tables by Aluids, the solution to your workspace challenges, crafted for excellence, designed for durability. Aluids offer premium quality commercial stainless steel work tables that redefine durability. If you're in the food service industry, the work table is your versatile companion suitable for any commercial kitchen or workspace. Aluids work tables are available in both 24 inches and 30 inches width, with lengths ranging from 24 inches to 96 inches. Aluids offers work table series. One is Platinum and the second is Ecoline series. Platinum work tables are of grade stainless steel 304, while the Ecoline series grade is 430. Stainless steel 430 grade work tables are an excellent option for a light-duty work environment, compared to 304, which are generally used for heavy-duty work areas. The stainless steel 304 option is good for areas where high corrosion resistance is required from rust or light moisture and chemicals, whereas 430 grade gives an added benefit of being magnetic due to its chemical composition. While SS430 is suitable for budget-friendly options, 304 offers heat resistance suitable for areas that involves exposure to high temperatures. Both the series offers tables with undershelf option and with open base. Assembling Aluids work tables. Carefully place the tabletop upside down on a smooth surface to prevent any scratches. Insert the legs into the gussets on the tabletop. Once all legs are securely inserted into the gussets, tighten all the screw sets. Determine the desired height for the undershelf by marking it on the legs. Insert the undershelf to the desired height required. Secure the legs to the undershelf by tightening the screw set. Adjust the feet as required to meet height specifications or to match for uneven flooring. Flip the table over and remove any protective films, and your table is ready to use. Upgrade your workspace today with Aluids Work Table, where arts meet performance. Visit our website to order your work table.